like it's coming out my scalp. Okay? It's coming out my scalp now.
Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new video for y'all, and make sure y'all like and click subscribe.
We dying this week. Y'all already know. You already know because y'all clicked on this video. I'm going to be showing y'all the colors that I'm going to be using and what I'm going to be dipping and dyeing in. Okay, honey? So I'm going to be using these colors. I have two of the royal blue. And then I have one indigo blue. So I'm just going to be putting these into the pot. Make sure you got your paintbrush and you got your colors, girl. We got the indigo blue and we got royal navy blue, okay?
Sorry if it looked like I'm looking one way and the other. It's kind of hard for me to focus on the camera. So I'm like looking at myself and then I'm looking at the camera trying to make sure like we making eye contact with each other. So here I'm just going to be mixing the color into the water. I didn't use a lot. I just used a little bit because I wanted it to be extra dark.
Here she go. Here she go, ladies and gentlemen. She is my bad bitch. Yeah. All right, well, let me start putting on my ball. Hey, ho, shit. A wig cap.
So I already applied my cap and I glued it down. And let me tell y'all this. It is so annoying. Like, just blow drying it over and over and over again. Like, I get really, really impatient. It's so annoying. Like, girl, if you don't hurry and dry on my head. So I'm just cleaning the extra glue off of my face so it don't look crazy, because it was looking crazy and I just had to hurry up and fix it. But this is my concealer that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to be applying that on the cap so I can get that ball method. Excuse me if you hear my son screaming in the background. Yes, I am a mommy at 3. But back to the video. Yes, apply the foundation onto your cap so it can look more natural. You don't want it to look too white, because you're going to be looking crazy like, girl. So now we putting our wig on. I'm just making sure that the wig fits my face so I can know exactly how much I'm going to be cutting off. So I'm going to be applying my lace glue around my hairline. And I'm just going to be taking this comb. And let me tell y'all this. I found this in the hair store, and this comb is so convenient. Like, I've been using pencils. I've been using everything just to put the glue inside of it and to get it on my face. So now we're just going to be pulling the wig in front of the glued down hairline that I created. I'm just pulling and tugging on it. And the next thing y'all going to be seeing me doing, do not take any scissors and cut in front of your face if you don't know what you're doing, because this is dangerous. You don't want to get scarred. I recommend the razor. I couldn't find mine, so I used the scissors because I couldn't find it. I misplaced it. But definitely don't use the scissors, y'all. Don't do it. And my suggestion to like people that's beginning, like putting on wigs, girl, keep practicing. No matter what anyone is saying, keep practicing, because guess what? People that are where they are now, they had to start from somewhere. So keep that in mind. Keep practicing, keep putting on your wigs, keep continuing trying to lay on baby hairs, girl. Like, you got this, we got this. Keep practicing. Don't stop. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't, because there's no such thing as can't, okay? There's no such thing. We all winners here. So keep practicing. In this part of the video, I'm just applying my foundation around my hairline because it's still white, as you can see. So I'm just blending it in so it can look more natural.
So much better. Y'all see that? Big difference. Big difference. Like it's coming out my scalp. Okay? It's coming out my scalp now. All right, let's fix it. Indigo blue and the royal blue in the front. It's popping. It's giving, honey. Like, it's giving. I'm gonna spray my Mazzani spray on my lace one more time before I get this swooping. Cause this stuff will hold it, baby. It will hold it in place. Okay, so I tried to steam my baby hairs, and girl, let me tell you, it's difficult. It is. I tried my best, but you know, it don't look too bad from a distance, right? Like it look good from a distance. But now I'm ready to part my hair and section it off. So ladies, I'm just parting my hair into a deep soft part as best as I can. I used the wet stick to lay it down. I didn't want to apply a lot of heat to the hair because I'm like, it's already curly and I don't want to mess it up. Ladies, this wax stick was a lifesaver because I didn't want to put any heat in my hair once again. I just wanted it to lay as flat as possible as I can get it. So that is it for today's look, you guys. I am looking bomb. I'm looking blue. I'm looking good or whatever. Like and subscribe this video if y'all like my hair and y'all like how it turned out. Remind y'all again, this hair is from curlyme.com. Click the link below and make sure you give them a big shout out and tell them that your girl Bree sent you, y'all. Thank you ladies for watching this video. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that like button below. Thank you. Mwah.